March 3rd, 11:42. I just got off the phone with a payment processor from All Pro Bail Bonds downtown here in San Diego. She was kind enough to admit that they had to show up in court. She would not tell me what happened to them, but they continued for me to pay off this quote unquote service charge. She admitted that they provided a service. It's not one that I asked for. I asked for a bond. Apparently I didn't need one because there's no depositor and there's a massive fraud occurring, which I can prove. And so they're going to try and say now that that unpaid balance, or whatever the heck they're going to call it, is going to be feasance for them to say that I'm owing or deficient, as to try and lien, just even not necessarily me, but my equitable title. So anyways, first and foremost, let's just go over this thing right here. This is a wet ink contract by commercial guarantors, non-corporations. You can see where I basically did some edits just to give it some more context, because without it, it just would be kind of random. So this is regarding Microsoft and Bill Gates, especially in relation to such, and his agent as principal acting as first party for Bill Gates himself. So when I found out who this man was and what he was doing, I said, well, if you're not a direct agent for Bill Gates and trying to screw me, sign this piece of paper. And he said, sure, no problem. I'm not doing anything. I said, well, then you should have no problem signing this contract. And as a commercial guarantor of such facts in wet ink form, with name printed, signed, and date, it reads, I, Veslin Mickles, swear under penalty of perjury, do indemnify David Mogilner from any form of liable and or damages I, an agent for, or a principal of, create, regardless of prior contract or agreement to the contrary. This shall supersede under any theory of law. And then there's a video of it, which I do have. I need to pull it. I just haven't done it. I've been lazy because I got other stuff going on. But, so video, I'm going to get this validated. I'll turn it into an affidavit. And then countersigned. So, property release from this incident number. So this is from Officer Luna 7807. Here is my intake from SDPD booking. Case number. Alright, so anyways, there are my 3 charges. No more. Here's sealed property bag, delivered 3:15 a.m. This was printed, and we leave. I was arrested at 1:30 in the morning. This is the officer's signature. This is him saying I refuse to sign anything. Alright? So, here you go. Property that was with me. Alright? Look. Boop. Officers. Arrest information, etc. Alright? So, jail booking number, case number. This is different. Other chest rig. Alright, so anyways, there's that. Now, here's this. This is from what they're saying is my arrest. Now, the case number here does match the case number there, except for the fact it's been blatantly whited out. Alright, look at how blatantly this has been edited. It's really, really bad. Times edited. Date edited. There's wet ink and Xerox. This is wet ink and Xerox, by the way. If you take a look at the officer's signature here, look. They literally have this thing. Take a look at this. You see that? Cut and paste, literally. Check this out down here. Same thing. Cut and paste. Watch this. Cut and paste. So they're saying this is the officer's signature. 7943 with it crossed out. There's his signature. They do not match. Take a look at the phone number, how blatantly bad this is. Cut and paste. Hack job. So, another thing. They're saying that this was filed. Fill in court. Name and street address. I believe it shows that, oh, then they're saying, look at this huge cutout right here. Boop. Like, it's really bad. Alright, more cut and paste. Officers' names, cut and paste. Alright, so, anyways, everything cut and paste. They're saying, check this out, this is great. So, this order was granted. They're saying at 4/11. They're saying I was served this at 4:27. All right. So if you go and take a look at when they said this was served to me, all right, I was already out of the damn building. I was no longer at 1401 Broadway. All right, so 3:15 a.m. this is printed. So 1:30 a.m. I'm in handcuffs without rights read to me, etc. In the back of the car, this is printed 3:15 a.m. I was fully booked with property, all right, at the sheriff's department, 4:50 a.m. Now take a look at this. So 4:50 a.m. fully booked, all right. They're saying that somehow magically, after already being processed downtown, being arrested, having my inventory taken, all right, so this is what they're saying. 1:30 in the morning, all right, 1:30 in the morning, I'm already arrested. 3:15, they're taking me out. They're saying here at 4:27, I'd been served. I'd already been served this. Here they're saying I'm already out of the building. Here they're saying I'm fully booked downtown, already gone through, had all my fucking stuff taken. Here they're saying this is when I checked in. They're saying that this is when I was booked downtown. Now take a look at this. What's awesome is they're saying, look, so this is the property deposit. That's what this whole thing is. I confirmed this deposit. This is the depositing of the person where they turned it into a legal title. Now that's not my signature. I can prove that easy. But first of all, what's really interesting is it says right here that I refuse to sign on intake. And how the hell, and here's also where they, under signature, under the officer's signature, not mine, because I had refused. It says that this is my personal property inventory, all right, and that it was in a sealed bag at this point and delivered to the jail with the inmate. Printed at 3:15 a.m. Here they're saying that I was booked at 5:06 a.m. and had my possessions deposited. If you take a look at the receipt number, everything, confirmation number, all right, does not match. Here's my booking number. Here's my case number. That's my booking number. Now they're saying that this is my booking number. After I'm already in custody, across the street downtown, blocks away, in a fully secured facility, in handcuffs. They're saying this is at the booking center downtown at SDPD. How the heck can I get from being fully booked, processed, with all my stuff already deposited, all right, and then here's what's really bad. Notes. First of all, they won't even sign as the depositor. The sheriff's department didn't want to be part of this fraud. Thank God they were smart enough to realize what was going on and wanted nothing to do with it. Then notes. Mo Gilner, David B. All right? Take a look at this. Mo Gilner, David Bryant. All right? Look at this. David Mo Gilner.